Hello everyone. In previous video, we learned that how to do addition by using an abacus and addition without carrying. Today, in this video, we are going to learn addition with carrying and addition of more than two numbers. So let's get started. First, we will learn addition with carrying of 4 and 5 digit numbers. Here we will take one example. Add 2464 and 1546. We know that when we add two numbers, we have to arrange that two numbers in columns according to the place values of the digits. The first number of the addition is known as oggend and the other number being added is known as addend. Addition always begins at the ones place. So let's start adding the ones. Here add 4 ones and 5 ones, which is equal to 10. Now 10 is two-digit number and we cannot write two-digit number at one place. So carry over 10 to the tens column and write 0 at the ones place. Now move to add the tens. 6 tens plus 4 tens is equal to 10 tens and add one more 10 that we carried over. So it is equal to 11. So carry over 100 to the hundreds column and write 1 at the tens place. Now add the hundreds 4 and 5, which is equal to 900, and add one more 100 which we carried over. So now it is equal to 10. So carry over 1 to the thousands column and write 0 at the hundreds place. Now add the thousands 2, 1 and 1, which is equal to 4. So 4000. So write 4 at the thousands place. Here we will get the answer 4010, which is known as the sum. Thus 2464 plus 1546 is equal to 4010. Let's do one more example. Add 42,348 and 18,934. Here both the numbers having 5 digits. So first arrange the two numbers in columns according to the place values of the digits. Start adding at the ones place. 8 ones plus 4 ones is equal to 12 ones. So carry over 1 at the tens column and write 2 at the ones place. Now add the tens, 4 tens and 3 tens, which is equal to 7, and add 1 carried over 10 also. So now it is equal to 8. So write 8 at the tens place. Now add hundreds, 300 and 900, which is equal to 12. So carry over 1 to the thousands column and write 2 at hundreds place. Then add the thousands, 2,000, 8,000 and 1, which we carried over. We will get 11. So carry over 1 at the 10,000s column and write 1 at thousands place. Finally add the 10,000s. 4 10,000, 1 10,000 and one more, which is equal to 6. So the answer is 61,282, which is known as the sum. Thus 42,348 plus 18,934 is equal to 61,282. So students, this is how you can do the addition with carrying. Now we will learn how to do addition of more than two numbers. Let's take one example. Add 4,218, 1,522 and 1,634. Here we have more than two numbers to add. So arrange the given all numbers in columns according to the place value of the digits. Arrange all numbers in columns and start addition at the ones place. But before that, we recall that the first number of addition is known as oggend and the other number being added are known as addends. Now start adding the ones. 8 ones, 2 ones and 4 ones together, which is equal to 14. So carry over 1 10 at the tens column and write 4 at the ones place. Now add the tens. 1, 2 tens and 3 tens and one more that we carried over. So we will get 7. So write 7 at the tens place. Now add the hundreds. 200, 500 and 600 together, which is equal to 13. So carry over 1 at the thousands place and write 3 at the hundreds place. Finally, add the thousands. 4, 1, 1 and also add that 1 which we carried over. So we will get 7. So write 7 at the thousands place. So 7,374 is known as the sum. Thus 4,218 plus 1,522 plus 1,634 is equal to 7,374. So students, this is how we can add more than two numbers. I hope you understood it very well. If you have any doubt, then write in the comment section. Thank you.